So today I want to show you how to replace your air filters in your house or your apartment or your condo or wherever you live. And if you have never done it before or you don't know what I'm talking about, then that is a perfect place to be, because that's where we're going to start. The first step is to find your air filters and figure out what you have. The second step is to go get replacements, and then the third step is replacing. So where do you find them? So in most of your rooms you will see registers that look like this. They're about 4 inches long and about 10 or 12 inches wide. You'll see something about that shape. That's not what you're looking for. What you're looking for is on a wall or sometimes a ceiling, a larger return that looks like this. And that is the air return where the air comes in, and the filter is located right behind this panel, and that's what you need to do. Some places have one, some places have many. Our house has many, so I'm going to show you a couple of them. But most of them, they'll just have little clips that you have to undo. Some of them will have a little thing that you unscrew halfway, and then that will replace, and then you will see probably a very junky dark gray filter like this. So what the important thing is to do in this first step is to find numbers like this. And there'll be 3 numbers, and it'll be 16 times 25 times 1, or 4, whatever those numbers are. Write them down, or probably put them in your phone, because once you do this step, you'll never have to do it again. So now we're at the store looking at all the filters. There's tons of them. And again, you'll see the same number, 16 by 25 by 1, which is one of them that I have. They have different kinds. This is the super cheapy, really doesn't do anything. I don't recommend any of these filters, but they're very cheap. But then they have these other kinds here, 16 by 25 by 1, here, here, and here. And these little numbers here, 7, 9, and 10, have more levels of filters, of allergens and stuff, depending if you need that. And as they have more, they cost more too. So typically I'll usually get these right here. They have them in 2 packs or whatever. So you just pick out the filters you need for the numbers that correspond to your specific place, and then we'll go put them in. Okay, now we're back at home, and we're at this air filter return. And so this is step 3. We're going to open it up, make sure we have matching numbers, and now the airflow is on, so it takes a little bit pull to take it out. And on every single air filter, no matter what the brand, you'll see a little arrow, and that's important. It says airflow that way. So when you put the new filter in, you want to put the airflow arrow the same direction as the old one comes out. But it's very simple to put it in, and then catch it up, and move on to the next filter. Okay, now we're at the ceiling. It's a little harder for you to see, but this one is the same thing. You pull it down, you check the airflow is going in. So here's the new one. Here's the airflow arrow. So it's going in. It'll pop right up, and it will stay there because the fan is on. Close it up however your specific one closes, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions, ask Dad again.